Specific weight of the concrete used in the dam is 150 lb cubic feet, and the coefficient of friction between the base of the dam and the foundation is 0.42. Use 1.5 earth factor of safety against sliding. Height of the dam is given, and height of the water is also given. We have to calculate width of the dam to prevent dam from sliding in the feet. Okay. Specific weight of the concrete is 150 lb per cubic feet. Diagram of the question figure. 20 feet height of dam. B is the width of the dam. 15 feet in the height of the water in the reservoir. And now diagram, water pressure diagram is triangular, as we know that. Factor of safety against sliding is 1.5 is given, and gamma W, specific weight of water, is equal to 62.4 lb cubic feet, as we know that. Now we have to calculate factor of safety, width of the dam. Factor of safety sliding is given. Now we have to calculate horizontal force acting on the dam and vertical force acting on the dam. First we will calculate horizontal force due to water pressure on the vertical face. pH 1/2 gamma h square 1. Gamma is given as 2.4. We will put gamma and W and h values, and we can calculate 720. Vertical force due to weight of the concrete dam is equal to 150 into 20 into B into 1. 150 gamma, 20 is the height of the dam, B is the width of the dam, or 1 meter length we are calculating. Summation of Fv is equal to 3000. Now factor of safety against sliding is equal to, as we know that, mu sigma v Fv upon sigma Fh. Factor of safety sliding is given 1.5, mu is given 0.42, sigma Fv is we are calculating 3000 V, sigma summation of Fh 7020. Width of the concrete is equal to 8.36 मीटर. ये आपका आ गया ब्रेथ ऑफ द बीम. P is equal to 8.36 मीटर. Okay. Now factor of safety against overtime. As we know that formula, summation of AMR upon summation of MO. AMR is resisting moment due to self weight of the concrete. And calculating the factor of safety overturning, we will calculate with respect to point P resisting moment and overturning moment. Resisting moment due to self weight of the concrete. Self weight, we know that I have calculated sigma Fv, and here you will see resisting moment is equal to summation of B into x bar. X bar is the distance from P from the load weight of the concrete, that is x bar. X bar is equal to B by 2. X bar is equal to B by 2 क्योंकि ये रेक्टेंगुलर डैम है. B is 8.36 and x bar is equal to 4.18. Now we will put the values and we will get the results. Now overturning moment due to water pressure. Overturning ये pH के कारण ही होगा. ये pH एक्ट कर रहा है इस h/3 हाइट पे अगर ये h है तो ये h/3 पे ऐड कर रहा है, टोटल हाइट 15 है तो ये 15/3 5 हो जाएगा। Hence we will calculate overturning moment is equal to summation of h into by r. So we will put the values and we will get the results. Now factor of safety against overturning, summation of AMR upon summation of overturning moment. We will put the values, we will get. So